Frustrated by the Human Interface Device Access Service DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. To kick off the Human Interface Device Access Service walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Human Interface Device Access Service, the Human Interface Device HID Input Service Library. It is responsible for enabling and maintaining the use of hotkeys on keyboards, remote controls, and other multimedia devices. It manages the Hidserv service in the background. If missing, volume buttons on keyboards and specialized gaming peripherals, like Stream Decks, will stop functioning, and the Human Interface Device service will fail to start. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like Human Interface Device Access Service. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Human Interface Device Access Service file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Human Interface Device Access Service DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Human Interface Device Access Service. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Human Interface Device Access Service functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.